Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will have 40 plus paid Udemy course for free with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you multiple job opening by Affluence Info System Private Limited. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Object Oriented Programming from Basic to Advanced in Java. In this course, you will OOP, Solid Principle, Best Practice in OOP Architecture, exam tasks to implement backend for online store, a lot of coding exercise. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, 15 coding exercise, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is complete JavaScript course for beginner with jQuery and Ajax. In this course, you learn the basic to JavaScript for beginner to advanced, the jQuery framework, Ajax and HTTP request, get external data for APIs, and work with JSON format, build dynamic web application with JavaScript, the basic of front-end web development. This course will 15.5 on-demand video, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Beginner Guide to Android App Development, step by step. In this course, you learn Android installation and setup for Android development, concept of layout and views in Android development, different way to store your data on an Android device, list and fragment in Android development, trigger an Android notification, build from scratch your every own Bluetooth chat app to set and receive message from Android. This course is for an on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Selenium in Java, set up simple test automation framework. In this course, you will learn Selenium Basic, Selenium in Java, Selenium Weights, Page Object Concept, Web Component Concept, Data Transfer Object Concept, JUnit for Basic, JUnit 5 Basic, Gradle Basic. This course is 3 hour on-demand video, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Python GUI, project in Python, build a sign-in system. In this course, you will learn how to design a desktop application that features a sign-in system, how to connect a desktop application to a database, write with QML3, and how to signals and slot in QML3. This course will 2 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Learn Flutter and Dart to create Android and iOS app. In this course, you will learn Flutter and Dart from basic step by step, understand all the fundamental concepts of Flutter development, master Dart and Flutter framework, build Android and iOS using one programming language, Dart, become a complete, fully fledged Flutter developer, build multi-screen app using various widgets in Flutter. This course will 10 on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is JUnit 5, Mockito, PowerMock, TDD, BDD, and ATDD. This course will learn specific of JUnit 5, learn API of the most popular most framework, Mockito, JUnit 5 versus JUnit 4, advanced knowledge of PowerMock PI, testing level unit and integration, how to execute test from Ellipse, test driven development, behavior driven development, accept test driven development, real life example and review, test course coverage. This course is for on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Java from zero to first job, part 1 practical guide. In this course, you will learn Java from scratch and become Java software engineer, basic, OOP, interview question, Git, Java collection, etc. This course will 21 hour on demand video, 2 article, 2 practice tests, 38 coding exercises, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Git for basic to advanced, practical guide for developer. In this course, you will learn what is Git, learn the key concept of Git, perform the basic and advanced Git operation, manage branch, solve merge conflict like a pro, how to work with GitHub, manage local and remote repository, manage files with Git in your file system, rebasing in Git, how to drive a software in team using Git, step through an entire Git workflow, best practice of using Git, how to keep Git history clean, real life cases of using Git. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 2 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is functional programming, lambdas, meta, reference strip. In this course, you will learn what is functional programming approach, core principle of functional programming, lambda expression, meta reference, functional programming Java, functional interface function, by function, consumer and be consumer, predicates, by predicates and other. How to write amazing code with functional programming approach in Java, Stream API. This goes into our on-demand video to coding access, full lifetime access of mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Java collection framework plus generic lambda and stream API. In this course, you will learn Java collection framework, different collection from collection hierarchy, different container for map hierarchy, real life example using any collection, iterable and iterators, hash table, binary trees based collection, functional program with collection, generic in Java, stream API, how to write a clear and concise code in Java with help of Lambda and Stream API while working with collection. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 9 coding access, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is data augmented in NLP. In this course, you will learn data augmentation using WordMD, data augmentation using WordMD implementation, data augmentation using BERT, data augmentation using BERT implementation, data augmentation using bank and translation and implementation, data augmentation using TS and its implementation, improve quality of augment data using simulate filter, NSML approach for data augmentation, comparison of data augmentation technique. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is AWS Networking Practice Certification Exam. This course includes 5 practices, full lifetime access on mobile. Next course is Learn to Code in Python 3 Programming Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will learn the basic fundamental of programming and writing computer code using program to solve real-life problems with computer programming, work with JSON and HTTP requests on web server and API to get it from external service, statistics and data visualization, and introduction to machine learning in Python using Python to manipulate files such as Excel sheet and text files. This course is 5 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is JavaScript Complete Beginner Course for Web Development. In this course, you will learn JavaScript for Beginner, JavaScript Essential, JavaScript ES6, JavaScript DOM. Take the JavaScript training. This course you will learn for 5 on-demand video, 13 article, 85 downloadable resources, 11 coding access, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification assignment and certification completion. The next course is HTML5 from basic to advanced level 2021. In this course, you will learn to create simple web page using HTML5, learn to basic tag of HTML, to create tables in HTML, to create customize form and add form validation in HTML, to include multimedia in your web page, to create your own vector graphic using SVG, for project to test your knowledge. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is JavaScript Complete Beginner Course for Web Development. In this course, you will understand a fundamental concept in JavaScript, synchronous JavaScript, the event loop, generate a sync, etc. Write a solid JavaScript code, modern JavaScript for 2020, ES6 module. Learn programming solving skill, learn to write JavaScript array, JavaScript functional, JavaScript loop, JavaScript variable, JavaScript condition structure, JavaScript programming fundamental variable, Boolean logic, if-else loop, function, array, etc. Object-oriented programming, manipulating web page, DOM with JavaScript, event handling, coding, OOP, including ESS products and ES 2015 classes, the keyword, let keyword, constant keyword. Get friendly and fast support in course by question answer, including downloadable lecture, code and design access and all access advanced JavaScript practice. This course is 11.5 on demand video, 13 article, 85 downloadable resources, 11 coding exercises, full F9 access, mobile and TV and assignment and certification completion. Next course is cPanel. In this course, you will learn cPanel, pricing, try cPanel for free, files, database, domain, email, metrics, security, software, advanced preference. This course you will do are on-demand video, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Python for machine learning with NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. In this course, you will learn fundamentals of Python for effective using data science, using Python for data science and machine learning, research Python basic with crash course, make use of NumPy and Panda implementing numerical algorithm, data manipulation, learn to use NumPy for numerical data, array and matrix manipulation, library NumPy, learn to use NumPy for data manipulation, NumPy function, understand the code using NumPy stack, learn to use Panda for data analysis. Three important data structure of Pandas series, data frame, panel, data visualization, visualize data using Matplotlib and Seaborn. This course is an on-demand viewers and downloadable with full lifetime access, except mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Python course for basic to advanced. In this course, you will learn Python from scratch, understand the basic knowledge of Python, use Spider to write depth Python program, advantage of Spider over any other IDE, learn all Python basics such as variable, function, condition, loop, text processing, file processing, error handling, and more. This course is 7.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is beginner course on Power BI with Azure DevOps. In this course, you will learn the basic to how to fetch data for Azure DevOps using Power BI desktop tool, Power BI with Azure DevOps, sample timeline, view report with Gantt chart. This course will do around on-demand video to downloadable resources, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Deep Web, the complete introduction to hidden web. In this course, you will understand all the deep terminology and be able to complete understanding of theoretical part, be able to access of yourself to deep web in complete safety for legal use with some basic deep web website for learning where you find multiple deep web website. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is PowerPoint efficiency and productivity. In this course, you will efficient PowerPoint setup, most valuable PowerPoint shortcut, PowerPoint macros, PowerPoint add east, PowerPoint efficient functionality. This course is 6 hour on-demand video, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Project Manager Professional PMP Practice Test. This course is 4 practice tests, full lifetime access, extra mobile. The next course is LG Project Management, LG Scrum, Kanban and XP. In this course, you will understand the need of changing traditional software processing, what is LG, understand LG principle, what is LG is not, waterfall versus LG, understanding and creating user story, theme and epic, what is product backlog, difference between product backlog and product roadmap, advantage and disadvantage of LG, how to estimate done in LG, why related estimate in LG, t-shirt and frequency estimation, planning poker in LG, understanding and creating burn down the chart, minimum variable product, team velocity, Scrum theory and pillars, Scrum event, Scrum planning, daily Scrum, sprint perspective and sprint review, Scrum roles, product owners, Scrum master and development team, Scrum artifacts, definition of done, introduction to LG Kanban, Kanban's principle, how Kanban is different from Scrum and extreme program, finding various insufficiency in your product, definition done in Kanban, daily stand-up in Kanban, specify rule in Kanban, introduction to extreme programming, value of extreme programming, expert practice. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, 11 article, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is simple trading, become profitable with VWeb. This course will learn to trade well easily without the hassle with server simple technique and indicators. Master VWeb, in which very powerful indicator is in training. This covers simple and profitable training strategy that has already proven itself. This course you want on-demand video for downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobility and certification completion. The next course is modeling fundamental in Maya 2020. In this course, you will learn how to use Maya, how to learn Maya modeling tools, how to master professional modeling techniques. This course is 14.5 on-demand video file, downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobility and certification completion. The next course is complete guide to in-video and in-video creation. In this course, you will learn how to use in-video service, how to make social media video in minutes, how to make and edit video with browser. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 for beginner. In this course, you will learn edit an entire video from beginner to end, starting a project, creating sequence, importing files to Premiere, video effect and transition, audio effect and transition, keyframing and animation, exporting video to for different platform. This course you want on-demand video file article, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is color correction and grading with Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. In this course, you will use all the settings from the Lumix color windows, understand the basic of color philosophy, match two different shots, read the waveform, correct the exposure with white balance. This course is 43 minutes on-demand video file article, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV, certification completion. The next course is how to create a YouTube channel. In this course, you will learn how to create your own YouTube channel. This course is 30 minutes on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, warranty and certification completion. The next course is Pudal method, lead generation and customer user acquisition. In this course, you will learn the most cost-effective customer acquisition technique in 2020, proven a lead generation method including digital, traditional and modern product marketing tips based on decade of experience, B2C, B2B, marketing, startup marketing tactics, go-to-market execution, user acquisition technique that are quick, cheap, and effective. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 6 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Affiliate Publisher Guide, Affiliate Publisher for beginner. In this course, you will learn Affiliate Publisher basic creation of basic book in Affiliate Publisher, creation of advanced book cover, creation of magazine style document. This course is 3 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is how to write a romance novel. In this course, you will learn how to write novel, how to write a fiction. This course will learn on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is EIQ to Smart Business, Emotional Intelligence for Excellence. In this course, you will learn smart business, applying emotional intelligence for organization and communication excellence. This course is 2 on-demand video, 2 article, 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Financial Accounting, Existing Entry and Financial Statement. In this course, you will learn list the steps in the accounting cycle, explain the importance of using an existing entry worksheet, list types of existing entry, enter existing entry of an existing entry worksheet, creating an adjustment trial balance, create a financial statement for a trial balance, entering reverse entries, perform fundamental Excel operation. This course is 10.5 on-demand video, 20 article, 20 downloadable, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Partnership Accounting. In this course, we will learn process of setting up a partnership, allocation of net income of partner, the recording of partner withdrawal, recording of partnership closing procedure, general entries related to adding a new partner to the partnership, liquidation process of partnership, the comprehensive program on accounting cycle, key term definition and expression to real to partnership. This course in 14 on-demand video, 28 downloadable, full lifetime access mobile and TV assignment and certification completion. The next course is Financial Accounting, Inventory and Merchandise Transaction. In this course, you will inventory costing, first in, first out, cost method flow, last in, first out, cost method flow, weighted average cost flow method, periodic inventory method, review, inventory method, merchandise transaction, record purchase of merchandise, record sales of merchandise, perspective and periodic inventory system, sales discount and purchase discount, inventory syncage and sale return, financial statement of merchandise company. comprehensive problem of entire accounting cycle. These courses in 22 are on-demand video, 39 downloadable versus full length texts, Excel mobile and TV, a 7 and certification. The next course is Financial Accounting Closing Process. In this course, we will describe the closing process and its important performing closing process. We using one journal entry performing closing process using two journal entry performing closing process with three journal entry. Describe the post-closing trial balance, define temporary accounts and permanent accounts, understand fundamental of Excel. This course is 8 hour on-demand use of 6 articles, 14 downloadable versus full After Access, Excel mobile and TV 7 and solution condition. The next course is Tester Malay vocabulary level in 10 with Fresca. In this course, you will learn Tester Malay vocabulary level, the unique static method supported by Hub database for many years research and experience. With this level, you can easily work with your ability and access your program. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable versus full F9 access, Excel mobile and TV and certification completion. All the links of the course are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.